If I have to go back to one moment that I really connect is Tekiot. One year I snuck myself there to be there when the Rebbe recited the psukim, the verses that are customarily said just before and just after the blowing of the Tekiot. Min ha-meitzar korosi ononi v'merko.
You could see in the Rebbe's face on Rosh Hashanah a certain seriousness, these bags full of letters, of panim from people, thousands and thousands of them, laid out on the bimah, and the Rebbe crying over them. You literally see the fate of the world happening right in front of your very eyes.
Als vlekster zijn keden keer schefe bimrire satsumo bis bechier. Das alles gewend bis Amires Abroche. Und Amires Broche alleine gewend der Pornum Golem. A viele der Metzer, darf mit der Kehl shall Islavos, aber bejachad dem Zer shall Isededes.
After the Rebbe finished the Tekiot and went back to his place at the front of 770, he would turn around and look at the entire assembled crowd. Everybody felt at some point like they were making personal eye contact with the Rebbe. And it was just unbelievable to witness that, to experience that.
Das fehlt dann noch am Schoches Kol Hoinyonim, also kommen Mikad Musam. Die Adrabe, betes Vese, soll das dann noch herabkommen, da besinken.
When I put my talis on at that time and blow the shofar, it's my moment on Rosh Hashanah. All I'm doing is going back in time to when I stood right next to the Rebbe